Hey guys, how's it going? MuxReef here, and I'm gonna explain how my presets work. It's mainly about the light presets that can use a little bit of explanation, also some tips, but it's very easy and very fast. So here on the left side we have my presets. We have 4 new preset packs, and in this case I'm gonna explain to you the sunny and bright presets, ideal for more sunny and bright photos, but also the mood is gonna influence the mood, so you can use them on all your photos. First of all, we have a nice photo from New Zealand, and I'm gonna select one of my presets, sun at the beach. So sun at the beach looks good, right? So we have selected this preset, and now if you want to, you can just export the photo and you're done. That's up to you. Or you can also say, why not further enhance the photo? Let's make the light a little bit more dramatic. I always really like to enhance the direction of the light. So in this case, the sun is on the left side of the frame. So what I want to try is make that light more visible. So let's add the spotlight first. I want to put the spotlight in the center. I like that. And we can choose between normal brightness and bright. I will probably go for normal. And then I also have to choose between warm and cool. You can see it, cool and warm. So cool and warm, but first let's actually do the right position. It's gonna be center, center, center. This is the one. So we have cool and warm. I go for something cool. I go for something warm, but cool is actually also possible for sure. Alright, that's it. Now we go to the next one. We go to the light from the side. So light from the side, horizontal, here we are. And let's go for light left and warm. Cool. Difference is not that big, as you can see. Okay. Select this one, light left, warm. And then we're actually done. You can still add some other things.